This is the colossal galaxy said to be on a collision course with ours, boasting a diameter over twice that of the Milky Way and harboring trillions of stars. Scientists predict that in about 4.5 billion years, it will collide with us. This is the Andromeda galaxy, spanning over 200,000 light-years. Its immense scale allows us to glimpse its faint, elusive glow with the naked eye on clear autumn or early winter nights when gazing into the deep night sky. Before 1924, it was merely a blurry speck in astronomical records, mistaken for an unremarkable nebula within the Milky Way. It wasn't until 1924, when Edwin Hubble, using the Hooker telescope, identified Cepheid variable stars in Andromeda, that it was confirmed as a distinct galaxy, one of the closest major galaxies to Earth. To reach the Andromeda galaxy, we'd need to traverse a staggering 2.5 million light-years. Now, let's imagine soaring out of the Milky Way into the near vacuum of interstellar space, where the atomic density is so sparse, only about 10 atoms per cubic meter, that it feels eerily silent. As we draw closer and enter its gravitational influence, we'd encounter a vast plasma halo, stretching 1.3 million light-years in radius. Like a radiant cosmic aura around a celestial giant, the Andromeda galaxy's core resembles the Milky Way's barred spiral structure, but is far more intricate, massive, and spectacular. Over billions of years, its spiral arms have been warped and distorted by gravitational interactions, even forming unique ring-like structures. At the edge of its southwest spiral arm lies NGC 206, a colossal stellar nursery. This giant star-forming cloud, spanning 4,000 light-years, conceals over 300 blue supergiant stars, each tens of times larger than the Sun-true cosmic titans. Just as Earth has its moon, Andromeda has its own family of satellite galaxies, over 20 in number. Among them, the compact elliptical galaxy NGC 32 stands out. Though only 6,500 light-years in diameter, it harbors a supermassive black hole, 1 million times the Sun's mass. Scientists speculate it was once a larger galaxy, reduced to its core after being consumed by Andromeda. Remarkably, the Andromeda galaxy is hurtling toward us at 110 kilometers per second. In roughly 4.5 billion years, a collision with the Milky Way is inevitable. This cosmic clash will unfold over 10 billion years, ultimately merging the two galaxies into a new, even larger elliptical galaxy